Marker 13 meteorologist Sam Postage. Sam, it's going to start at least feeling like spring coming up during our week.
Yeah, it sure will. We'll be in the high 50s by Tuesday and even low 60s for some spots for our Wednesday forecast. But today was on the cooler side. We only got to about 33 this afternoon in Colorado Springs, but with the sun beating down, it felt a whole lot warmer than that. Community Banks at Colorado Camera, a gorgeous end to our Sunday in Colorado Springs and up in the northern side of El Paso County. 32 right now for us, 31 degrees in Alamosa. It's going to be a cold one in Gunnison with your low temperatures well below zero tonight. 28 degrees on Monument Hill, 23 in Woodland Park, Wilkerson Pass, a little blustery. Your temperatures are only at about 12 degrees and wind speeds aren't all that gusty up on the pass, but still 5 to 10 miles an hour with your temperatures that low. You are pushing close to zero with your wind chills at least. 10 miles an hour in Pueblo, wind speeds at about 11 in Colorado Springs. And it's not all that windy on I-25, but any winds we do have will diminish overnight, 8 miles an hour in Springfield. And then for our Monday, Tuesday forecast, we really don't have to worry about any winds during the afternoon hours. And all of that snowfall in the Sangres is starting to taper off as we speak. The higher elevations got upwards of about an inch in spots. It wasn't a heavy hitting mountain snow event, that's for sure, but a little bit of moisture felt today. 16 degrees in La Junta overnight, and that's what I was talking about out in Gunnison. 15 below. It'll be a cold one tonight. 5 degrees out in Lyman, 17 in Burlington for your low temperature. Tomorrow, we're actually below average for tomorrow, but then by our Tuesday and Wednesday, that'll make up for it nicely. Low 50s for La Junta residents tomorrow afternoon, 35 out in Leadville, 48 degrees in Burlington. Nothing but sunshine for tomorrow. Our Tuesday forecast looking fantastic. Then we'll be about 10 degrees above average in the Springs by our Tuesday afternoon. Mid 60s out in La Junta and staying into the 60s for your Wednesday forecast. It's just something to keep an eye on is your Thursday. So this dominant ridge of high pressure across the Intermountain West will stay in place through Wednesday. Then our Thursday forecast, little Southern California low is headed our way. So 4 p.m. tomorrow, we're doing just fine. The cold front just edges off to the north of Colorado for our Tuesday afternoon. We're still under the ridge of high pressure for Tuesday and into our Wednesday. Then you start to see the first signs of that precipitation headed our way in California for Wednesday. Then we'll start to see that snow falling Thursday afternoon across the western mountains. Then Colorado Springs, it's kind of a question mark right now whether the precip will fall as rain or snow. It's possible we see a rain-snow mix actually, so it'll start off as rain for Thursday night, then change over to snow by Friday morning. I don't think we'll see a whole lot of snow accumulation, but we're still quite a ways out. It's possible for some spots to get an inch or two by Friday morning. Something to look out for. Woodland Park at 47 degrees for your Tuesday, and then upper 40s again on Wednesday with a cooling trend by your late week forecast. So a gorgeous start to the week, and then a cooler and somewhat rainy Thursday and Friday in Canyon City. Low 60s by your Wednesday afternoon in Fremont County. Pueblo sitting at 60 to 63 degrees for Wednesday, plenty of sunshine, and then your rain and snow chances start up for Pueblo residents Thursday and Friday. And again, your low temperatures are pretty close to freezing, so it's even a question mark whether that rain could change over to snow in spots. But again, if you're traveling for Friday morning, it's something to be aware of. Guys?
Right, exactly.